In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a video in Google Flow. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your Google account and make sure you have access to Flow. It's available to Google AI Pro and AI Ultra subscribers. Once inside the dashboard, I want you to click the new project, or if you have already a project, just open that and basically give it a project name. For example, here, click the three dots icon to rename that specific project and click the check button. At the bottom, you need to enter a detailed text prompt describing subject, action, environment, lighting, and style. For example, let's say a digital artist sketching in a cozy studio at dusk. You want to make sure to select the video mode right here, because these are your options: image, video, frames, ingredients. But of course, you want to make sure that you are using the video. Once you are happy with that, click the arrow button. The rendering time may take a little while depending on the complexity of your prompt. At this point, you want to make sure that you are not connected to a VPN or proxy, because that could interfere with the loading times. Once Google Flow successfully rendered your video clip, you will see a preview that you can play back. Basically, you can tweak it if you click that and adjust it or add frames for more control. You can extend, insert, remove, and you can opt for the camera. It's up to you. Once you are happy with this, all I have to do is super simple. Click the download button. You can choose from a 2070 animated GIF, or a 720 original size, 1080 upscaled, or a 4K. But the thing is, the 4K needs an upgrade. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to create videos here in Google Flow. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.